mercy is forever. For everything you have done, we give you the praise. Oh.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you are watching this video. This is Uthman Adebimpe Aishat. I want to cook fried rice. So these are my ingredients. I'll be showing you one by one before I start the cooking. So this is the water from the milk, and this is my vegetable oil. This is my green bean. This is my sweet corn. As you can see, this is my carrots. This is my farro, and this is my green tatashe and my green onion. This is my parboiled rice, salt. This is curry, thyme, then fried rice spices. So this is my Maggi. So the cooking will start now. Let's go there. I want to fry my ingredients. So I'm adding vegetable oil now. I'm adding the liver now. I forgot to show you the liver before. I've through with the liver now. This is my green tatashe. Green onion. Green beans. I'm adding everything together. This is also the carrots. I want to fry them together. So I'm adding curry at time. I'm adding curry now. I'm adding my seasoning. Still frying it. I'm now through with the ingredients I'm frying now. So I want to start the cooking now. I will firstly put the water I received from my meat. I'm adding water now. I want to add my fried rice spices now. I'm adding it. I'm adding Maggi and salt now. So after this one, I will allow the water to boil before adding the rice. Thank you. As you can all see, my fried rice is ready. It's ready. So I will need to add the green beans, farro, and sweet corn. I will now allow it to steam before I turn it. My fried rice is ready. is ready now just to steam. Thank you once again. This is Uthman Adegboyega Aishat. Thank you.
Lady Stella, empowerment page. Thank you, Jehovah.